Hello, today we have a very nice Corvette for you all to view, and it is for sale. It is a 2011 Chevrolet Corvette in Jetstream Blue, one of our favorite colors, and actually the hardest color to find from what we've figured out. In 2011, they made less than 260 of them, and this one only has 10,000 miles. It's a clean Carfax, and we just got it in, so we're going to do a little walk around. And if there's anything that you don't see or would like to see up closer, definitely reach out to us, and we'd be glad to get them for you. Let's do a little walk around here, and as you can see, the entire front end on this car is very clean, free of wear, scratches, scuffs. It does have a PPF film on the front. Goes across half the hood, the front bumper, and a few other spots on the car, but you can see it's really done its job to keep the paint nice and fresh. This car is a 3LT. It has 18-inch wheels in the front, chrome wheels obviously, with somebody painted the calipers red, which really offsets and makes this car pop. Looking down the side, you can see once again, obviously no dents in a Corvette, but scratches or anything like that, I don't see anything sticking out. Same in the rear. These are going to be staggered wheels. In the rear we got 19s, plenty of tread left in the front and the rear. Again, no pitting or any kind of damage on the wheels. This car does have the transparent roof. It's very nice. Some of these cars, after a few years, they start to show a little bit of hazing. Does not have any of that. Around the back you can see it's pretty much all factory. Factory dual exhaust and all polished out. Again, passenger side's going to be the same way. Chrome wheels are all nice, no scratches or chips or anything that are sticking out to us. Another common issue in these cars can be the headlights start to fade or delaminate. I'll show a close-up here. There's none of that going on. Just as nice as whenever they came out of the factory. You can see the PPF was cut out here around the emblem. It's a driver headlight. Same goes for the glass. No cracks or chips, anything jumping out at us. Go ahead and do the interior. We do have 2 sets of keys for this, as well as the original manuals. It's a really nice two-tone interior. It's like a light gray with black accents. Everything is just in new condition. You'll notice on the phone it might be flickering, but that's just from the phone. It's not doing it in real life. Seat bolsters are nice. No scuffs or wear marks showing on it. Get in here, do a startup for you. There's the heads-up display. Again, all the gauges are fine. I know the camera makes it look kind of funny. Paddle shifts, steering wheel's real nice. Not worn or anything like that. Does have the Bose stereo system, AM, FM, CD, and XM radio. Heated seats. There's the inside of the transparent roof. Again, these are real easy to turn on and off, and give the car actually a pretty nice look whether they're on or off. I'll show you in the trunk here. Just had this car PA inspected whenever we got it in. We also have emissions testing in our county, so that was just performed. Everything passed. And then the back seat, all the carpeting isn't, there's no singes or any kinds of odors. If you don't know, these are where the removable top sit. They actually clip into play here. Real easy to turn on or take on and off. You have storage compartments in here. That looks like the cover that goes across the rear window. Nothing in this side. Again, on the passenger side here, just as nice as the driver's side. Nothing sticking out at me. Dash is nice. Sometimes they can get a little rippled look to them. Does not have any of that. There's the owner's manuals. There's all the codes for the car. Again, this only has 10,000 miles on it. It's a clean Carfax, and just really in excellent condition inside and out. Probably put about 50 miles on this car whenever we got it in, and it was definitely a fun one. Nice quiet in the engine bay. Again, it's all stock from what we can tell. This car is down at our Pittsburgh location in Fox Chapel, Pennsylvania. We do a lot of Corvettes, Mustangs, just a lot of nice low mileage convertibles, coupes, classics, you name it. We've been down here about 8 years already. We have another store about an hour away. And here's a little quick tour for you to look around. This is an old fire station, and again, just get some really interesting inventory down here. As far as the Corvette goes, if you have any other questions or would like any other pictures, give me a call back at 724-388-4930. I'd be glad to get more pictures, videos, whatever you'd prefer. We also offer FaceTime, financing. We accept trades, and we'd be glad to get this beauty transported to your garage. So give me a call, 724-388-4930. Thank you.